This video will review adding groups to your ARIA Applications database. Each individual user will have the ability to create their own private groups in the system. Outlook calls their groups categories. We call ours groups. When you create a group, it can be public to the whole company, private to just you, or anybody that you designate, whether that's an individual or a team of people. To create a new group in the system, hover over the Contacts link in the main menu and click on the Contact Groups. That will load a list of all of the groups in the system that are public and any of your private. To add a new one, hit the New button. This will open up the form that you're going to populate when you create your group. By default, your groups are private to only you. If you'd like to change the permissions, you can using the pull-down. Either specify everyone can view it, meaning it's public to the whole company, or just a team of people. I'll leave it on private. Type in the name of your group and hit Submit. It will place that new group that you added in alphabetical order in your list. In order to find it, you can refine your search and type in the name, and it'll pull it up. If you want to create a subgroup, hit the New button again, and the same form will load. This time, put the name of your subgroup in there, and under the parent, find your original group and hit Submit. Within the system, you do have the ability to have subgroups and sub-subgroups and sub-sub-subgroups. If I want to create another subgroup, I hit the New button again, and again that same form will load. This time, type in your other subgroup, and under the parent, choose your original group again and hit Submit. You will notice on the list the new groups that we just created have a padlock to the right of them. That indicates that those are private. The idea behind the subgroups, I can put contacts into this particular group and call up a list of all of the contacts in that group. I could put contacts in this group and I could call up a list of all the contacts in that particular group. But because of the hierarchy, I could search my main group and it will give me everything in all of the subs down below. And if the same person happens to be in each one of the subgroups, their name will only show up one time in the main group. This hierarchy is going to be extremely useful when you're marketing or prospecting and you really want to pinpoint the people that you're going after. Now that your groups are created, you have the ability to add contacts to them or manage your groups. If you want to edit your group, hover over the blue arrow on the left and choose Edit. It will load the same form that you started with, enabling you to actually edit the record. At this point now, I can change the group name or add it to a different parent group if I'd like as well. If I don't want to change anything, I can just hit Submit or just close this window. And I'm back to my list. For additional information, contact the help desk at support@ariapplications.com.